Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Everything you're about to hear today should be seen as entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.
What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope you're all well. I'm sure you're glad to see me not wearing that stupid Snapchat filter. I thought I'd just do that for the laugh. It is St. Patrick's Day, guys. I'm feeling good. I have a couple of pints of the black stuff waiting for me, so I wasn't even planning to do a video today, but I've got breaking news for Zomedica that came out yesterday, and I need to get this information to you guys. Talk about commitment day. So before we get into it, please like, please subscribe, grow on the channel, all that jazz. Also check out the links in the bio for not only my writer's article, which is a good read, and also the link to Free Trade. It's a free share platform. We can go on and get a share up to £200. I recommend that most people go on and have diversity in their portfolio, so check that out if you're thinking of joining the trading game like myself. That link is in the bio. Also, yesterday's video is doing really well, guys. That was a Twitter vote that you voted for. I've done the video on it and you are loving it, so thanks very much for everyone that's watched that and give that a like. We'll get the next Twitter poll going on Friday again. Actually, that one hadn't even ended yet, but it just was a landslide. I wanted to get that out early to you, so hope you appreciated that one. And lastly, don't forget to get me on the BHS DMV Instagram, guys. There'll be a few pictures on that today, I'm sure, from St. Patrick's Day, so get on it, see the banter, see the crack, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, as I said, today's video is an update on Zomedica. Zomedica and the True Forma platform. Now, I have talked about this in previous videos, as you can see here. And what I'm going to do now is just actually play a bit of a snippet to why it's so exciting, this True Forma, just so you have an idea of it. But if you've seen this already, you can skip a couple of more minutes into the video and I'll actually give you an update then on exactly the new breaking news and what my move is going forward. To do with True Forma, a pet diagnostics platform. There's no technology like this. It picks up the conditions of pets. It can diagnose the issues that nothing out there currently can do. It gets the information back straight away, where currently to do these types of tests could take up weeks to find out what the issue is, and by then your beloved pets, the worst could already happen. True Forma is due to launch on March the 30th, but True Forma gives an entrance to one of the biggest markets there is. In 2021, pet owners are due to expend well over 100 billion on looking after their pets, with over 3 billion being spent purely on looking after pets. So when you consider that, before this news came out, that's the statistic. So when you have technology that's going to enter into a £3 billion industry, what does that mean? To the fucking moon, baby! I'm not even saying that it's going to go into every single pet surgery all around the world. I am literally saying it's going to be able to go in, revolutionise, and definitely, without a shadow of a doubt, take part of that 3 billion, which means a company like this, which is firstly a penny stock, probably a dollar stock now as I'm speaking, but it's gonna go to the moon. Alright guys, that's a previous video of me talking about True Forma. I thought I would bring it back up to your attention again, but go into the archives, check out the other videos. I've done several of them now, but unfortunately you've missed out on the big rises to date, but there's plenty more I still believe to come from Zomedica, so it's important that you subscribe to the channel to get alerts on Zomedica and many others. You get in early and don't miss out on the rises again, guys. Come on, you know this! So now let's have a look at the new breaking news that just came out yesterday and get my thoughts on what this means. So if you just go onto Google and type in Zomedica stock, you'll see here breaking news, Secret Alpha, Motley Fool, all that. We'll go on to my trusted source, Yahoo Finance. Zomedica announced its first commercial sale of its platform. So we knew this would probably come, and this hasn't come as a great surprise. I fully believe that the True Forma product was going to be launched, as I said in my previous videos, by the end of this month. So it's good news that it just came out early. So let's read and see what they're saying. Yesterday recorded the first veterinary sale of True Forma and officially entered the commercialization. Quote here from the chief executive: "This is a momentous day for Zomedica, our shareholders, the veterinarians we serve, and the companion animals in their care. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the many people at Zomedica who dedicated the past 2 years of their lives to achieving this commercial milestone." Big Robbo is said here. Zomedica's chief officer said, "It is a credit to both our employees and to the stellar team with whom we have worked at our development partner, Corva Biotechnologies, that we have created a unique, valuable diagnostics tool and have delivered it to the veterinary market slightly ahead of our previously announced schedule." James Clean, president of Corvo Biotechnology, said, "At Corvo, we are leveraged the power of bulk acoustic wave radio frequency technology to innovate numerous products such as Wi-Fi routers, mobile phones, 5G cellular infrastructure, and now veterinary diagnostics. The launch of TrueForma platform is an exciting, disruptive milestone in the veterinary diagnostics testing industry and the rise the standard of point of care for companion animals." Guys, disruptive, that's what these stocks I love are all about. It's about destructive, because if they're destructive, they're changing the game, and if they're changing the game, it means there's a great possibility of growth and uptake. So great news, guys. Alright guys, so if we just go on the Yahoo Finance and have a look here, so we can see the average volume is about 181.5 million, with the volume currently sitting at 175.5 million. So there's still plenty of interest, still plenty of trading going on, which is good to see. The 52-week range then 0.0630 right up to 2.91. And like I said, that initial big crazy spell where, you know, from the point of view of doing the video, we got it up about 140%. It was lovely jubbly, guys. And like I said, I put in my money and I got a lovely rise. You can see here, sort of even the last 5 days, you know, we got a lovely rise. And I was in before that, I was in sort of in around 1.9. So we got a nice rise up. On my 500 quid, about 100 odd quid profit, and I've left with £200 in it now. So as I said, I bought back in. You can see here yesterday I did sell £56 profit on the £387 that I took out. And again, just full transparency, you can see here that I did buy in the 12th of January. I just kept averaging in as I like to do, guys. Kept going in, and then we started selling the money out. So 168 quid, 7 quid went out, £81, so double your money. Sold another batch here, again 71.87 for £136 out, guys. So I just phased the money out, £56, you know, sold 355 quid at 183 quid profit, guys. You know, I just kept selling, look, £203, £500 out, £203. So I just kept jiggery pokery, selling out, moving on, all profit, guys. You know, it's all just the way I do it. I buy in and I sell out just to see. The reason I got even started selling and got panicked because the bloody Reddit people got involved in it, and once they get in it, it just screwed with my whole plan, and it made me a bit on edge, a bit nervy. So it is what it is, guys. Like I said, full transparency. That was the good. Zomedica was an absolute dream to me, and I am going to definitely be holding this for the long term. But I just need to get that re-entry point. For people that have the invest account or following any of those trades now, I'm going to do my update video. I keep just getting distracted, but I'm going to definitely do that update video this week for you and get it out before Sunday. But yesterday I knew it was going down. Unfortunately, I played about with it, and that trade that I originally bought, the Zomedica, we actually took an 8p hit on that there, but I'm glad that I've got rid of that because it was more a swing trade. So that's the good news that's out there. I think it's brilliant, guys. This is exactly what we're waiting for, and it's a classic case of buy the rumor, sell the story. We talk about it all the time, and that is exactly what I have done. So originally I had my big investment, huge amount of money in it, doubled my money, 135% up on it. It was lovely. I pulled out pretty much the full position, swing trading, and pull the money in and out, doing all this here. When the big sort of correction happened, then I took some more money out to rebalance things. But about 2 weeks ago, then I put in a full £500 with the intentions of riding this right up until the end of the month, because I believe that that's when the TrueForma was what we were told. That's when it was going to come out, as this article's about. They've released it early, so because they've released it early, it had made me change the plan. So yesterday, my £500 was about 100 quid profit up, sort of roughly about 22%. I pulled out, and the majority of it left £200 in just to see what way it would go. And as my fears were, it was the case of buying the rumour, selling the story. The thing had fallen, so it went down about 12% on the day, and it doesn't look too great today, guys. It's looking like it's going to go down another 7%, but the markets today in general look to be a bit ropey in the pre-markets. But it's early days. I am coming to you very early here. It's 8 in the morning here in UK time, so it's very, very early. It could all change, but it's looking like it's going to pull back. So what my plan will be, I'm going to buy in more. I'm going to let the thing settle. I'm more than prepared to let this go for maybe another day. I might even buy this week and see what Monday brings. But my plan will be to average in, get my position back up to in and around sort of a £500. And at the end of the day, guys, this will all be profit money for me because I have doubled up on it. You know, I did make about over £1,000 on this trade, so you know it's all house money. Plan will be to leave that in and see how far this goes. What I want to be seeing is more orders. What I want to be seeing is more hype. I want to be seeing a good uptake on this here, and obviously those fundamentals don't sort of appear to be happening, then I will just re-advise this. But I think this could be a great long-term hold and a real game changer for the veterinary industry. So guys, that's the video. I've got, like I said, a few pints of the black stuff waiting for for me here, so I'm gonna go. Hope you enjoy your St. Patrick's Day wherever you are. Don't forget, you don't have to be Irish to be Irish. It is a day that should be celebrated globally, and I'm going to do that now myself. But before I go, please like, please subscribe, grow on the channel. I love every one of you for helping me out here, and also get me on the Instagram. And until next time, guys, enjoy your day.
Coincidence.
Yeah,
Coincidence.
something that happens by chance, I think not.